Hi everyone, Anna here. Has the woman you deeply care for walked out of your life? Feeling lost about how to win her back? Let's tackle this. In this video, we are unveiling the irresistible formula to rekindle that connection and bring her back into your world. By the end, you'll have a clear strategy and renewed hope. Regret is painful, but making a genuine comeback, that's powerful. Let's dive in and set things right. Take a step back. Yeah, I know, sounds counterintuitive, but trust me, sometimes distance brings clarity. You need to give her some space and time to process her feelings. Now, I know this may feel like the last thing that you want to do when you're trying to win her back, but hear me out. This step back isn't about ignoring her or making her miss you. It's about giving both of you the breathing space needed to think things over. Use this time to reflect on what led to the breakup. What could you have done differently? What changes do you need to make? Remember, this time apart is as much about you understanding yourself better as it is about giving her the time that she needs. This space can also help you evaluate what went wrong. Take this time to understand yourself, your actions, and how they contributed to the breakup. It's not about blaming, it's about learning. Remember, no rushing, no pushing. Patience is the key. Apologize sincerely. Now, this isn't about just saying I'm sorry. It's about understanding your mistakes and owning up to them. Tell her how you've realized your errors and the steps that you are taking to correct them. An apology isn't just a few words spoken out of obligation or to fix things quickly. It's about understanding and acknowledging your mistakes and expressing genuine remorse for them. Let her know that you recognize your actions or behaviors that hurt her and that you are deeply sorry for them. A heartfelt apology shows that you are not just trying to sweep your mistakes under the rug, but are willing to face them and make things right. But remember, sincerity is the key. Empty apologies or apologies with hidden intentions will do more harm than good. Rebuild trust. This may be the hardest and most time-consuming step. Now, trust is like glass. Once broken, it's hard to put back together without the cracks showing. It's going to be a slow, painstaking process. It will require you to consistently show through your actions that you are trustworthy. Always follow through on your promises, no matter how small they may be. Be honest and transparent with her. Over time, your consistent and reliable behavior can help rebuild the trust that was broken. Show her that you are a man of your word. Now, it might be small promises that you keep that slowly rebuild the trust that you had. Remember, trust isn't regained overnight. It requires time, patience, and consistency. Show your growth. Ladies love a man who can learn and evolve. Show her that you are not the same person who made those mistakes. Whether it's a new skill, a new job, or simply a new outlook on life, let her see that you've grown. Now remember, winning her back isn't just about making her see what she's lost, but also showing her what she could gain by coming back. Have you grown and learned from the mistakes that led to the breakup? Can you show her that you've become a better person? Have you picked up new skills, developed new interests, or made significant changes in your life? If you can demonstrate this growth, you are not just telling her you've changed, you are showing it. Understand her needs. This means really listening to what she's saying and what she isn't saying. If she's told you what she needs and you've ignored it, this is your chance to show her that you value her needs as much as your own. It's not about grand gestures or lavishing her with expensive gifts. It's about tuning into the subtle clues that she gives you about what she desires and respecting those needs. If she's asked for more space, give her that. If she needs emotional support, be there for her. Your ability to understand and meet her needs shows emotional maturity. You are proving that you can be her partner in every sense. Listen to her, validate her, and make sure you are doing your best to fulfill her needs in the way that she needs them to be fulfilled. Communicate openly. Communicating openly is much more than just sharing what's going on with you. It's about listening actively too. When she talks, show her you are interested. Validate her feelings, show empathy, and avoid defensive responses. This can create a safe space for open conversations. Always remember that communication is a two-way street. It's as much about expressing your thoughts as it is about understanding hers. Share your thoughts, your feelings, and your fears. Let her know that you want to make things work, but be prepared to hear her out too. This isn't a one-sided conversation. Now, before we dive into the next point, I just wanted to take a brief moment to say if you're finding this video useful, subscribing really helps me bring more content like this your way. All right, on to the next one. Be honest. Honesty is the foundation of any relationship. This is your chance to clear the air. If there were lies in the past, now is the time to correct it. This means being transparent about your feelings and your actions. If you've made a mistake, own up to it. If you are struggling with something, then share it. Dishonesty can lead to a breakdown of trust, and rebuilding that can be a huge task. Show her that you can be a man of integrity by being honest at all times. Show your appreciation. Let her know that you value her for who she is, not just for what she does for you. Showing your appreciation goes beyond just saying thank you. It's about noticing the little things she does and showing gratitude for them. It's about making her feel special and valued. Write her a note, compliment her, or simply say thank you for no reason at all. These small gestures can have a big impact on how she views your relationship. A well-timed compliment or a simple thank you can go a long way. Be there for her. Show her that you can be her rock when she needs it. Being there for her means more than just being physically present. It means being emotionally available for her when she's having a tough day. It means being her cheerleader when she's feeling down. And it also means standing by her side when she's facing challenges. Show her that she can count on you through the highs and the lows. Be her safe space. Don't try to control her. She's her own person with her own life, so respect her decisions and support her, even if it means letting her go. Remember guys, she's her own person with her own dreams and ambitions and choices. Trying to control her actions or decisions will only push her further away. Show her respect by supporting her choices and respecting her independence. Encourage her to be her own person. Love and control cannot coexist. Remember, a healthy relationship is about partnership, not ownership. No game playing. Manipulation and mind games have no place in a healthy relationship. Be straightforward and sincere with your intentions, and this, my friends, is vital. Game playing, manipulation, or trickery can never build a strong relationship. They might seem to work in the short term, but in the long run, they will only damage the trust and respect between you two. Be straightforward and honest about your feelings and intentions. She deserves to know the real you, not the character you are pretending to be. Prove you've changed. Actions speak louder than words. Show her through your actions that you've truly changed. But remember, genuine change takes time. It's not about a sudden dramatic transformation, but about small, consistent steps towards becoming a better version of yourself. Show her that you are willing to put in the work to become a better person and a better partner. This won't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself and the process. Keep your expectations realistic. Remember, you can do everything right and it's still her choice whether or not she wants to come back. Keep your hopes up and stay grounded. Now that you've mastered the formula to win her back, ever wondered why she might reconsider her decision? Or perhaps you want the secret on how to make her miss your presence. Dive deeper to find out, and if this helped, like, comment, and stay connected for more.